Hi guys, welcome to my channel 365 Days of Shakespeare. My name's Emma, I'm a new mum and an actress, and I do a little bit of Shakespeare every single day because it's great. Today I have done Edmund and it's such a lovely speech. Apologies for my phone vibrating throughout. For some reason I just got loads of messages while I was doing it, but I did a decent-ish take in one, so I don't want to do it again because, as always, I've got no time. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. I'm feeling much better today. And yeah, see you all tomorrow. Thou nature art my goddess. To thy law my services are bound. Wherefore should I stand in the plague of custom, and permit the curiosity of nations to deprive me, for that I am some 12 or 14 moonshines lag of a brother? Why bastard? Wherefore base? When my dimensions are as well compact, my mind as generous, and my shape as true as honest madam's issue. Why brand they us with base, with baseness, bastardy, base, who in the lusty stealth of nature take more composition and fierce quality than doth within a dull, stale, tired bed, go to the creating a whole of tribe and fops got tween asleep and wake. Well then, legitimate Edgar, I must have your land. Our father's love is to the bastard Edmund, as to the legitimate. Fine word, legitimate. Well, my legitimate, if this letter speed and my invention thrive, Edmund, the base, shall top the legitimate. I grow, I prosper. Now gods, stand up for bastard.